So we are Team Liechtenstein. Our project we are doing in presentation is on trade dress. So what trade dress actually is? Trade dress is how different items from companies are dressed up on the market. It's based on how the consumers identify the product. It's based on the size, the shape, the color, the graphics. It's basically what makes that item unique when it's on a shelf when you're looking at it to consumers. It's what makes it stand out. So trade dress is actually used as a legal term. There is trade dress protection. It's basically used the same as trademark laws. What it does is it prevents consumers from buying one product they think is another. So no new products can come on the market and mimic ones that are already on the market. So companies cannot just make an energy drink that is in the same shape of, say, a Gatorade bottle and have it next to the shelves to the Gatorade and have consumers buying it thinking it's Gatorade, but really it's not. So a lot of popular examples of this is Rainforest Cafe. It's protected by trade dress. It actually went to court. I'll get to that next. Because of the unique style of their menu and all the animals and the trees and the sounds in their restaurant, it's protected under trade dress. Other ones, popular ones, Coca-Cola, the shape of their glass bottles is protected. Heinz Ketchup, the shape of their ketchup bottles are protected under trade dress. Red Bull, actually a lot of companies try to steal like their colors of their packaging, like that blue and gray, and the slim shape of their bottles, so they are also protected under trade dress in the court of law. So when it comes to the Rainforest Cafe, they actually filed a lawsuit recently with Amazon Bar and Grill. So basically what this other bar and grill was trying to do was steal the idea of make it feel like you're eating in a rainforest. So they had all the trees and the sounds and the animals. So they took it to court and saying that under trade dress, their unique decor should not be able to be copied by any other restaurants. Um, so they did win the lawsuit. Their decor of the trees and animals was not considered just regular restaurant decor, so they were protected under that. So trade dress helps you protect things that you can't trademark. So because you can't trademark like having trees in your restaurant, so trade dress helps that idea. So to wrap up, trade dress helps companies stay very unique compared to others. Many court cases recently have actually been won on the grounds of trade dress, and trade dress helps limit consumer confusion when purchasing products. Thank you.